Jobs outside work is a replication of the quotes outside work, so the following is the quotes outside work video. Often when completing a job for a client, there are processes that have to be delegated to contractors as outside work. To add an outside work item, click on the Details button next to the Outside Work field on the Costings tab of either Quotes or Jobs. And then we click Create New Item. Clicking on the Companies drop-down menu, we can select companies, we can modify the company we've already selected, we can create a new company or clear the company that's linked to this particular outside work item. So we'll select a company, select it and click Select, and that will load the company into the outside work item. We can then type in the order number and the details. And then the amounts for each of the quantities. And then click OK, and then we'll see it's listed in the outside work items. And we have each of the values, the total of the outside work for this particular job, and the cost for each quantity of the selected item. Here we can delete items. We first select them, click the delete button, and we're asked to confirm the deletion. If we've got a number of items, we can choose to use or omit items in the same way we can in other output layouts. All selects all the items linked to this quote. We can also double click on the item to modify the item, and also in the Select Company output screen we can delete items. First select them, click the delete button, you're asked to confirm the deletion, click yes to delete it. We can search company records by name, street, suburb, phone, mobile, fax, first name, last name, an email address. We can also save searches and load searches as we can in all the other search dialogues. We can sort the items in the same way we can sort for other output screens. We also have use, omit and all. And we can create a new company by clicking on the Create Company button, enter in the details, click OK to save it, or we can select an item, click on the Modify button to modify it. But here we'll select this company to be linked to this outside job. We've typed in the outside work details, a description of what's required. The quantities have their each costing value. Click OK, and then click Done once we've finished. Then when we change the quantity, we'll see the cost of outside work is equal to those values we input into the outside work input screen. To modify any outside work item, just click Details, select it, modify it, and you can change the details, change the company. Straightforward. So that's how the outside work items are added to a quote.